Well, here is the Hoverbot2. So from what I've learned using the styrofoam, it's very light and you can add things easily to it. So I've put a protective waterproof cover on the GPS on the top. This is for the OSD, and I use the tiny OSD 3, which has not failed me yet, and it's a current sensor. Have not failed yet. Bearcat, come on, move, please. Bearcat, move. Come on, get down. Get down, man, please. Good boy. Good boy. It's nice not to have to push them. Okay, anyways, so I've got the antenna here as well, and it can be detached. When you take this off, you can loosen it. The silicone might have to be redone, but that's about it. Everything else, it has enough wires to come off. You can see the lights through the bottom of the flight control board while it's flying, and you can see the OSD red blinking light as well as the video signal and whether or not it's getting in. Water tightness, not really water tightness on the bottom because it's opened, but the lid top of this bowl is basically holding onto the wires, and it's also in the back here. I put a piece of black foam in there from the motor packaging with a slit in it so that the rim goes into the slit and that holds it in place. I just tried it outside in the wind and it was okay. Barometer hold worked really well, and you'll see that clip where I was able to walk around the quad and that. Here's the two little beads I put in to get rid of the jello. One here and one here. So that will just stabilize the arm to the actual rod holding the camera, and it seems to have improved it completely. So we might work on a little foam bracing here for positioning of the cam so that the foam rides on the camera or is attached to the camera but rides on this diameter. So we'll make a 12mm cut out of a piece of foam, slide it underneath, glue it onto the camera here, or onto the tray the camera is on, better yet, and then that will rotate with the camera when I get the servo hooked up or when I want to point the camera directly down. So there's the Hoverbot, 1,500 grams, and the Turnigy switch is in there as well, and the LiPo for the VTX is in there as well. Hopefully there will be enough air circulation from underneath, since I do like to drop down out of the sky quite fast sometimes. And I've got a clip coming up